Bobby? 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 Carry a drink of water upstairs. Come give me a Bobby. I can't make it downstairs. A 3 week now, me not come downstairs. Pain in my body, me sick, Bobby. Carry some water upstairs. Come give me a. Nobody know there today if you can't come give me. Grandfather, I come in with the water, grandfather. I come in with the water. But grandfather, I can ask you a question, dear grandfather. 30 years you're in a contractor business, grandfather. And don't say me a disrespect, you know, grandfather. And grandfather, you mean to tell me, say, over the 30 years, grandfather, your brain couldn't tell yourself to make one part downstairs that when you get old and can't move to and fro, grandfather? Grandfather, you could have make a little self-contained place downstairs, a room with a bathroom downstairs, grandfather, from part of the house, that when you get old and you can't go upstairs, grandfather. Grandfather, your brain should have tell you that, grandfather, so you're not go young every day, grandfather. We don't have time for fear up and down, you know, grandfather. Me have other things to do, you know. Me have to go out with my friend them and everything, you know. You have to go get a nurse, man. We can't manage them things, the grandfather. Soon I can't no water go give me, no. Because them a make up big upstairs house and then I say make them put one room downstairs. That's when they get old and can't manage to stay downstairs. Eh? That is not good, man. Grandfather, you have to do better than that, man. You should have do better than that, man. You have big contractor for how much years. Boy, come with the water. Argument here, give me, boy. Eh? Boy, a argument here, give your grandfather. You know the amount of hard work when me put in for you, boy? Eh? I know you grow big, you come here and no manners. Eh? What kind of question then they you ask me and tell me? Eh? Anybody can see the future? Eh? Me make me house how me want make me house. Bright and feisty. Yeah, go tell me about say me should have make room downstairs. You don't know what they speak, me no got no manners. I wish part you did see anybody I make their room put downstairs. No worry yourself. Don't stretch out yourself. Don't stretch yourself. I am coming downstairs. If it take me the whole day, I will reach down there. Because I don't know what they speak me now, no manners. No manners no have out of order. If it take me the whole day, me will reach down there one step. One step me must reach. Just because I say high risk on a market. And the nurse when she come stay with me, she said she took sick. So she couldn't come this morning. So it met me one day. Else, baby, me not call you if you do not. Me not call you. Bobby, Piggy said to him, Mama, how I make your mouth long so? So, mama say, I grow come here with Susie. So, don't worry yourself, Bobby. Bobby, don't worry yourself. You with Susie, what will reach you. But, they can tell you something, Bobby. In our reach somehow, no. Because, to the rate of how who know I go, this a generation here go along. Who know I cut off before time. Eh? To hold this a generation I go. Because they don't got no morals. Not about them. They cut off before time. Yes. As much as me not see good. Me read it in the paper how much. Eh? Already you see 7 people lose their life. Eh? And most of them are young people. I who know the Bible that talk about generation of vipers. Some of them got nobody to pray for, no. Who be and two, no. God bless the one them. We have one whole granny and one whole old grandfather and one auntie to pray for them. Yes. Because no, because you see them hold some of the old people they worse than the young one them. Yes. And so the parents eat the grape, the children teach set and hedge. Yes. But I can tell you something, you see, Bobby. Bobby, you better go read your Bible and pray. That is what you need. Don't worry yourself about me. You know, she said the whole people, them a live long now, Bobby. And the younger one, them a cut off. Because they no got manners to them parents. Don't forget the Bible tell you. So you must have manners and respect. So you must can live long. Yes, we all know where it say parents not to provoke children. But Bobby not provoke you. Bobby not provoke you. All I know me beg you to do is carry a cup of water, come give me. But alright, Bobby. Leave it at that. I will leave it at that, Bobby. I still go and pray for you that you can change. And somehow, no matter how much prayer you get, you can change. Because you know mindset set on one thing. And it, no, the prayer is like the prayer now get done in our mind to dig out the corruption where he it. So nevertheless, Bobby. Alright, Bobby. I will reach downstairs. Me dey on the 3rd step here now. I may have about 10 more figure. But me will reach. I know come to think of it, you know, Bobby is saying the right thing. I should have make one room downstairs, but the whole brain never did that thinking of me young days. Because me would not be so hard and now we move to and fro upstairs. But alright. So I go. I don't know when me I go sit downstairs. I might have to go to stand up there till me pass away. Alright. Okay. Please to like, subscribe, and share. It will be appreciated. Thank you.